Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to make scenario errors in 2026. If your automation fails, stops unexpectedly, or displays an error during execution, this guide will walk you through the most effective solutions step by step. First, open the Make dashboard and locate the scenario that's showing an error. Click on it, then open the execution history to view the failed run and identify exactly where the problem occurred. Next, click the module that failed and read the error message carefully. Many errors are caused by missing data, incorrect field mapping, expired connections, or invalid module settings. Now check all connected app accounts. If a connection has expired, reconnect the account by signing in again and granting the required permissions. Next, review the data being passed between modules. Make sure all required fields are mapped correctly and that the incoming data matches the format expected by the next module. If you're working with Google Sheets, Gmail, or another external service, verify that the selected files, folders, or records still exist and that your account has permission to access them. Now click Run once to test the scenario after making your changes. Watch each module carefully to confirm that the workflow completes without any errors. Finally, save your updated scenario and turn it back on. Continue monitoring the execution history to ensure the automation runs successfully in the future. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to make scenario errors step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.